Hello, Harry. I wanted to show you everything I'm sending you. Here's the motor. Here's your fusing unit. Here's your non-ADB emulator board where the printer plugs in, logic board. And this is the AC unit. It's in good shape, and the power supply. So that was everything that you wanted. So left over, which I'll probably list on eBay. Here's the back or front assembly, the laser fusing section, and the intake printer roller section. And I've got like the fan and I think some other miscellaneous parts. But really appreciate your business. It should be there in Chicago, where I know it's about 60 degrees below zero today. So, appreciate your business and patience. Have a great day.